because we like to have one-stop shop. So for India, it's a lot more easier to develop a bouquet of services vis-a-vis Philippines, which has to now invest in all the other domains. It's a catch-up game. We've got a 5-8 year head start. It's how we innovate and make a difference. And today, another big enabler for India is technology. We are way ahead of Philippines or China or India. So we will continue to have that head start. It's how we innovate and be ahead of the curve is what makes it a difference.
Good morning, sir. My question is, since you have moved switched across industries and a lot of our batchmen are at the stage of career where they might have plans of switching industries, what's your take on how difficult it is to switch industries at the later stage of career?
For me, people are the same, right? Irrespective of industry. Give respect, take respect, build your credibility. That's the logic I look at. But yes, it's a very valid question. I think each industry has its own nuance. I always suggest, irrespective of the career choice you need to make or the industry you want to switch, I think three things which needs to guide you right. 3 years is what I said, but other than 3 years, one, in terms of your understanding of a domain or a vertical. Suppose you are an F&A professional. Ensure that your understanding of the domain in terms of depth is 100% and that you're current and continue to foresee what's happening in that particular domain. So that you get a concept, that you become the subject matter expert that people refer to. 2, be sure of the way businesses are run. Say you want to get into auto, or you want to get into IT, or you want to get into, say, aerospace. Be absolutely sure the way businesses are run. Just don't go from a domain perspective. You need to make enough and more research about the industry you would like to serve. The way the industry operates, who is competition, what are the margins, what are the parameters, what are the basic requirements. That too for me is a deadly combination. Depth in your area of specialization and good understanding of the breadth of the industry, including the way industry, competition and the organization which you would like to work in terms of what works in that space. And 3, your own individual commitment. You need to walk the talk and inquiring mind. I think these are things which will help you go anywhere. Because I was into hardcore manufacturing for 7 years. And there I met with very highly unionized people. Where they said, इस मद्रासी को हाथ पाव तोड़ के, टांग को तोड़ के, चेन्नई वापस भेज दो. That was where I was for 7 years. Then I was at Blue Dart Express. Again, modeled 100% of the way FedEx runs business. Though DHL has taken over them now. But FedEx was a top 10 companies to work for. And believe me, I've traveled the range which I mentioned, I've been there at least 3 times, whether it's India or to Tuticorin or Gurdaspur, I've been all over those places. Then I moved into Ramco Systems, which is an ERP company, manufacturing the product, Ramco Marshall. And finally, pharma. So, it doesn't matter. For me, the way I look at it is that, be the expert you are in your field, understand the industry you're getting into, what means it, and learn to walk the talk. I think this will help you traverse any way you want to. But you need to be sure. And for that, you need to experiment. It just can't be an academic discussion or a decision. Thank you. I am available Raghav_k@infosys.com. In case you have any questions, please feel free to drop in. I will respond to you. If I am traveling, please bear with my delay, but I will respond 100% to your needs. Thank you. I had a great time. I hope you got some perspectives from me. Wish you the very best. Thank you.
dear friends, it's been a privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. I have been interacting with Raghavendra sir since yesterday, and in every meeting, what I have observed is a leader with a global vision and extremely deep-rooted Indian values. The insights provided by him on the BPM industry and its internal dynamics have changed our perceptions about the industry. He has reminded us once again why Infosys is considered India's gateway to international IT. I thank him for taking time out from his busy schedule, for enduring the bad Jharkhand roads, and for coming and addressing us. I would like to invite Professor Pani to present a token of our appreciation to Raghavendra sir. Thank you, sir. It's been a memorable experience for us. I would like to express my gratitude towards our faculty members. Without their support and guidance, this event would not have been possible. No great task is accomplished in a single day, and hence I would like to thank our leadership committee for their consistent efforts. Yes guys, you can party tonight for sure. And above all, I would like to thank all of you for being such a great audience and for adding value to your questions. Thank you everyone, and have a great day.